What is going on, my rock stars? Welcome back to another video on Ricky's World. I'm your host Ricky, and I hope my rock stars are doing okay. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I am Ricky, and welcome. I hope everyone's doing well. Today I did a few Christmas shopping, and it kind of hits me a little bit like how people do Christmas shopping or Secret Santa, and I am such a big fan of like giving gifts. I love to give, especially when it comes to the holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. I love to do that, especially like when there's days when like people are not feeling well or like not really under the weather. I usually like to do like a little like surprise goodie thingy for people like that, only because I'm such a loving, caring person, and I love to do that. So on today's video, I recently we're recently doing like a Secret Santa where I work at, and I love doing these. I love to give, and I love to give out like the best gifts. I don't know why, I just love to do that for myself, only because I feel like that's just me. Like if I'm shopping for someone's birthday or holiday or special occasion, I would rather give someone the perfect gift that they want. So we're doing Secret Santa at my workplace, and I already got the list of like what my Secret Santa would want for their gift, and I went shopping and I found some interesting cool stuff. So on this video, I'm basically gonna talk to you guys what Secret Santa is, what gifts to give for Secret Santa or for Christmas if you guys have no ideas, and I'm also gonna talk to you guys about like gifts that people have been asking for Christmas. And then I'm gonna show you guys like basically what I got for my Secret Santa, for my secret person, I guess, or my person I got. I don't know. I'm really excited to do this because I haven't done this for a while. I have done one like a long time ago, and it was like for my coworkers when I used to work at the Mexican restaurant. And I'm really excited to like show y'all some good ideas and to give y'all some tips and talk to y'all about Secret Santa and gifts and what gifts to give. So continue on to see what gifts to give, rock stars. Alright, my rock stars, so I kind of like googled like what people were asking for Christmas like last year and what people really want for Christmas for this year, and I have all the information right here. The top categories that people requested was gift cards and money, electronics, clothing or accessories, home goods, experience and medias, and toys and games. And then there are more for the trends are tech gadgets, wellness and self-care, and then some retro, which is like cameras. And then how to think about giving. Okay, so I basically went on Google and I actually just like typed up like what did people request or want for Christmas from last year and this year. So that's what we got. And then there is like a graph bar that shows like the list of like the percentage of like what people wanted. And then so I'm basically gonna tell you guys what the percentage is right here. Okay, so the percentage that people wanted for clothes, textiles, sorry, I don't know if I'm saying that right, and shoes was 39%. And then for gift cards and vouchers was 39%. Oh my god, hopefully I'm saying these. Oh my god, something like that. And then money or cash was 38%. Hopefully, did I say the gift card one? The gift card one was 39%, and then for money it was 38%. And then for perfumes or body care was 38%. And then food and drinks was 36%. And then for jewelry and watches, it would be 32%. And then smartphones, tablets, and accessories was 26%. So not a lot of people wanted things like that. Books or ebooks was 25%. Event tickets were 21%. Traveling was 20%, of course, because not a lot of people are going to get things for traveling. Computers accessory was 16%, and then consumer electronics was 14%. Household appliances were 14%, and donation to charity was also 14%. And then household appliances, board games, toys, dolls, and accessories, etc., 13%. And then decorations, articles was 10%. Furniture, 7%. And 6% is for I don't know what to receive. And then I don't know for 5%. And then 2% is for others. So there's like not many, like a lot of people. I think for me, I would fit for I don't want to receive anything, or I don't know, because sometimes like when Christmas comes, I don't really know like what I would really want for Christmas, only because I'm not really picky, especially like when it's like a gift. I'm not like real picky. I'm real happy like what I get, especially like it means a lot. Like if it's the thoughts that count from a gift, and if it's from the heart, then I would love it. I'm not really picky with anything like that, especially like when my birthdays comes, you know. I'm not really picky with things like that, you know. So I love what I get and receive. For me, I like to like surprise people like with gifts, or like surprising gifts, because they're gonna be like, oh wow, your gifts are just amazing. And I recently gave someone a goodbye gift at my job, because they were going to work somewhere else. And a lot of people always tell me I give out the good gifts, and I freaking love that people do that, and they say that to me. So it really makes me feel wonderful when I do give out the good gifts. Now, if you guys do not know what Secret Santa is, it's basically an arrangement of a group or friends. They basically like write down names. They write down names and put in a hat, and they make everyone who is volunteering to do the Secret Santa, you will go in there, grab the name, and whoever you get, you gotta give them a gift. Sometimes there are like money limits and stuff like that, but for me, I really don't have like a money limit when it comes to like these type of things. It's like the thoughts that count, you know. I've been hearing like a lot of people say like they didn't want to do Secret Santa this year because what they received wasn't really great, and I really feel bad. So I wonder whoever got me, you know, I'll be thankful for that, you know. So right now I'm about to show you guys the stuff I got for the person that for the Secret Santa. Oh my god, it's so loud outside. Okay. So I'm about to show you guys the gifts right now. Oh my god, it's been like a long day today. So at work, I guess they made like a little checklist, or like a listing that like for the Secret Santa gift exchange. This weekend coming up, we will be having like a Christmas party, so I guess we'll have to bring our gifts to them at the party or something like that. I don't know how they're running it, but they basically gave us like a list of like what the person likes. So like they wrote down like the restaurant they like, the food or snack, drinks, color, store, hobby, the scents, collectibles they like to collect, sports teams, gift cards, and then they have this thing that says this or that, which is like coffee or tea, movie or book, go out or stay in, mint or gum, sweet or salty, hards or wine, online or in store. And then there's one that says my preferences. So it's like there's one like they have like yes or no on each of these. So it'll be a blanket, bath bomb, home decor, clothing, jewelry, fuzzy socks, plants or flowers, movie tickets, gift cards or books. So I basically went like today to like look for some of this stuff, and I kind of did. I'm kind of like happy for what I got for this person. I actually put like a little me in it, like if it was me, my gift, putting into it. So hopefully they do enjoy it, you know. I did forget some stuff too, but I'm gonna show you guys like half of the stuff that I got for them. So continue watching them, my rock stars. Also, look at my Christmas Stanley Cup. This is like so cute. Got this one at Target. I was like, oh. So let me go ahead and show you guys the gifts I got for my person I'm doing for Secret Santa for. So the first thing I did get was like the vibe that I got from this person. They look like they're like a real chill, relaxing person where like they're gonna want to drink coffee or drink wine from a raining day, and they're gonna want to read a book. They're gonna want to like just relax, put some socks on, and just get a blanket and a book and just relax. So I did go to Ross and Target to like see if I could find any of this stuff, and I actually did. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all. So since they did say like cozy and like a blanket, I did go and I did find this nice blanket. Wow, it's called Holly and Moss. Wow, this one's really cute. I really do like this. This is really cute. The price for this, you know, I'm not gonna take up the price because that's not really right, but this is like what I got for them. I really thought this was really cute. It's real soft, real comfy, especially for the holidays, you know. So the person I got, they gave me like a little comfort vibe, you know. They want to relax, they want to enjoy themselves from a long day of work or the snow or being cold. So this is what I think will be good for them. Alrighty. Next, I did get them like some fuzzy socks. Wow, got some fuzzy socks. I really thought these were really cute, only because there was like more. And I went to Target and they only had like a pack that only came with only one set, and I was like, oh my god. So I went to Ross and I found these. This is a 3 set. I really like the colors and the patterns on it. So this one's really cute. I really like this one. And then another thing I did get them was like they wanted like, they're into coffee and wine, so I actually got them like this mug from Target. It says my morning is all books. So like what I got from the Secret Santa list, they're like I said, they're talking about like vibing at home and just staying home. So I got them this, and they like to read books, so I was like, oh my god, this is like something that would be really cute for them. And then they are also a wine person, so I got them this, and their favorite color is also pink, so that's why I got like this little wine glass that has like a pink bow. I think this one's really cute. I'm really happy I got this. And then something else I did get that was really pink was this Care Bear. I thought, oh my god, this was really cute. Like, who doesn't love Care Bears, honestly? Like, this is really cute. So I hope like they really love this, you know, because there wasn't like a lot of pink like plushies or anything like that, so except for this and the wine glass. So but I got this as well for them because I thought it was gonna be really cute. And then another thing that they did like was mint, so I did get them like this toast. Oh my god, I don't know how to freaking say it. This thing came out like freaking a long time ago, but I got them like these mints. If you guys know what these are, yeah, I'm not gonna try to say it, but I got them these because I thought these would be something they would like because they are mints. And then another thing they did like was gift cards. So as someone who likes Starbucks, I did go get them some Starbucks gift cards. I'm not gonna tell them how much they are in here, but they did like coffee and they do like gift cards, so I was like, you know, let me go ahead and get them Starbucks gift cards because, you know, everyone loves gift cards, especially if it's on Starbucks, Target, or Amazon. So this was really cute for them. And then another thing I did get was like something like chocolate or like candy wise, so I did get them like this Andes, oh my god, I don't know how to say these right, but I actually got them these just so they can have something sweet, I guess, and minty. So they did mention they like wine, so I actually got them like my personal favorite one, which is gonna be this Moscato sweet red wine. I highly recommend anyone who's into wine, if you're into like sweet wine or anything like that, I highly recommend this wine. It is really good, especially like when you like chill it. It's really good. Highly recommend it, and I want them to try this one only because I'm a wine person too. I love drinking wine. They love wine, so I hope they like this one and they could add it to their favorites, or yeah. I also got them like this wine present box. It was ho 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 on it, so like yeah, to protect it, you know. Oh my god. So it's really, really cute. I like this. This is really cute. I also got this one at Ross. This was actually like $2.99. Yeah, so really happy I got this for them. And then, oh my god, another thing too, I found out at Ross. This is not their present, but it's like mine. But I went to like Ross, and when I was leaving, I got this for myself, for me. Like, I seen this like on TikTok like a long time ago, like a couple of years ago, but I actually found like this tiny freaking projector. Oh my god, this was only $25.99. Well, it was actually $25. It was $24.99, but I actually found this little guy by the register, and I actually wanted it, so I got it. And then I went to my other Ross, and now, since when did Ross ever like start selling projectors? Like, they don't have this one no more. I got the last one, but now they're selling like big projectors. So if you are looking for a not low budget, but kind of like a low price projector, check your Ross, go see if they have it, because these are worth it. I tried this and it really works really well. But with this one, you kind of gotta like keep it plugged in if you're gonna use it. So, but I do like this one, especially because it's yellow, and it was really, really cool when I tried it. So go try it, go find it. Whenever like I do like give gifts, you know, I usually like do it like this. Like, I will give them like a snack, their drink, and something personal that they could use every day, like a blanket, a mug, glass, or anything like that. Only because like I know like deep down they're gonna want to use it all the time, and it's gonna be really helpful with them. And you know, I usually like to do that with myself, you know, especially like if say like I think it's me shopping for myself, I will be like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it for them, like if it's for me. So that's how like you kind of gotta see it, you know, like if you're trying to give like the best gifts, but always remember that it's the thoughts that count too. Like, don't ever think like everyone has to get a good gift. You just gotta like tell yourself that like it's the thoughts that count, and it came from the heart. So always remember that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was like something to just show you guys what I got for my person I'm doing for Secret Santa. It sounds kind of weird when you say it like that. I don't know, but I hope you guys I hope all of these help you guys out. I'm still doing Christmas shopping. Oh my god, not ready for Christmas. The holidays are gonna be kind of different, but yeah. I hope that all of these really help you guys, especially for the holidays, to help you guys know what to give to your friends, your family, your coworker, your boss, your dog, your cat, I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, rock stars. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new to it. I will be posting more videos of gifts or Christmas or whatever. I am trying to do more unboxing videos for you rock stars, so if you're into like haul videos or shopping, I'm the person for it. So but anyways, rock stars, that's all the time we have for today. It's already dark. I'm gonna show you guys why it was really loud, only because I filmed right here next to the patio, and the patio door's open. So I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys right now. But I hope you guys have a good night, have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys next time on Ricky's World. Bye, rock stars. This is why it's loud, because we have like the cars coming, and then that's where I set up. But yeah, but anyways, rock stars, I'll see you guys next time on Ricky's World. Bye, rock stars.